Hello, good day, lovely pupils out there. Welcome to a new week, and we thank God for the completion of our second CA test on the school CBT portal. Today, in English language, we want to discuss punctuation marks. Punctuation, punctuation. What do we want to achieve at the end of this lesson? That is our objective for this lesson. At the end of this lesson, pupils should be able to 1. Explain punctuation mark. 2. Mention the punctuation marks in English language. And 3. Explain the functions of at least 10 of the punctuation marks. Take note of the objectives, as this will guide us on our learning activities. Okay, let's go to the content of the day. What are punctuation marks, or what is punctuation mark? Punctuation marks are those signs in English language used to organize sentences. Punctuation marks are those signs in English language used to organize sentences, in the sense that these marks help us in our writing. It helps us to organize our writings, our sentences, when we are making them. Okay? Examples of these punctuation marks are comma, period or full stop, hyphen, question mark, exclamation mark, colon, semicolon, etc. We have about 14 of them, which we are going to look at them one after the other. But for today's class, we are going to look at 4 out of the 14 of these punctuation marks. Let's go to the first one, which is the period or full stop. We usually call it full stop, but it is also called period. The period is placed at the end of declarative sentences when you make a declaration. Statements thought to be complete, and after many abbreviations. Declarative sentences or statements that is thought to be complete, or can also be used after abbreviations. Let's look at the 2 examples there. I am going to school. That is a declarative sentence, full stop at the end of it. I am going to school, full stop. I was born on December. That December is being abbreviated. If you look at it very well, the December is abbreviated DEC. Then we have the full stop or the period for abbreviation. Then 1954. We now put the final full stop. This is a statement that is thought to be complete. So these are the ways we can make use of the period or full stop for ending a declarative sentence, or also statements that are thought to be complete, and also after abbreviations. Please take note. Let's continue to the next. Question mark. Question mark. With the name question mark, we should be able to guess what it does or the function. This is used to indicate question or interrogation when placed at the end of a sentence. When you find that sign, as you can see it in the video, when you find it at the end of any sentence, know you that that sentence is a question or an interrogation. Example, what is your name? What is your name? How old are you? You can also say, where are you from? Who is this man to you? So many of them. But as long as you find that sign at the end of the sentence, know you that it's a question or interrogation. I hope you are learning. Let's move on. Exclamation point. Exclamation point, or we can call it exclamation mark. This is used to express a sudden feeling or add emphasis in a sentence. Use it to express sudden feeling, that is something that shocked you, something that surprised you, and you want to show it. You now make use of the exclamation point or mark. Example, holy Moses, Jane screamed. Maybe something happened and Jane had something so shocking and she shouted, holy Moses. You can see the sign there. Then, get out. I said, get out. Maybe the speaker must have told that person to get out initially, but the person refuses. And he or she had to emphasize on it again by saying, I said, get out. You now introduce your exclamation point. Okay. The last but not the least for today is our comma. You know, the layman call it comma. Comma. The comma is used to show separation of ideas or elements within the structure of a sentence. It is used to show separation of ideas or elements within the structure of a sentence. For example, my mother bought a bag of rice, carton of tin tomatoes, and biscuits. You can see the comma after the rice. So this one shows separation of elements. Separation of elements. Then we went to the movies, comma, and then we went out for lunch. These are two different sentences that needed to be separated. We went to the movies, comma, and then we went out for lunch. Full stop. So today we have been able to look at 4 punctuation marks. In our next video, we are going to look at another 4 of them till we complete the 14. So I believe we have learned something today. A work will be sent to us on our platform to attend to, and I hope we do well. Thank you for watching this video. Remain blessed and bye.